So standard 9, after a long gap, we are meeting in lecture number 10. Lesson 2 was over, but afterwards I found that there are some important questions in the problem set. So this is problem set 2. In this question number 2, in that the third one, write in P upon Q form. Write in P upon Q form. And what is that? 9.315 and so on. This I have to write in the P upon Q form. In the exercise we have done this question like this. Solution: 9.315 so and so. First step is let x equal to. See that this 315, 315, 315, 315 they are going repeating. Therefore, x is equal to, I can write 9.315 bar. That means that these three digits are repeating. Now there are three digits, so I will multiply by 1000. This is number 1. Multiplying by 1000. Why 1000? Because there are three decimals. We get 1000 into x will be 1000x is equal to 1000 into this will be, the decimal will go here and this 315 is there still further. So 9315.315, this is still there, 315 repeating. Because this decimal will get shifted by 3 places and there are still these 315 they are there. So this decimal has got shifted over here and this is remaining. So this way. This is number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2. One from 2. We have 1000 x is equal to 9315.315 bar. This is number 2. And one is smaller, that I will subtract. X is equal to 9.315 bar. This is number 1. I am subtracting this, so I will give the sign minus over here. This is plus, it will become minus. This is also plus, it will become minus. So that is equal. Now this will become 1000x minus 1x. This is 999x. This will get cancelled. And now this will be 6093. Therefore, x is equal to what? X is equal to 9306 upon 999. Whether I can divide by 3 or not, that I will see. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. This is in the table of 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. This is also in the table of 3 also and 9 also. So, for divisibility of 9 and 3 is same. So, directly I will divide by 9. 9 9s are 81. Or I will say 9 1s are 9. See this division you may go wrong. 9306 divided by 9. Generally what they do, 9 1s are 9. Take this 3. Not divisible, so take this 0. Then take this 0. Now 9 3s are 27. Remains 3. Take this 6. And 9 4s are 36. This is 0 0. So what is the division? 1034. Now for this also 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9 and 9 ones are 9. 1034 divided by 111. Therefore I can say, therefore 9.315 and so on is equal to P upon Q is 1034 divided by 111. This is your answer. Hope that you have understood this. If we keep as it is, then also it is no problem. 9306 upon 999, but you can reduce also. The scholars should not forget this, that it is reducible. So that's all about this question number 2. I will give you some homework on this that you have to do very honestly. The fourth one I am giving you 357.417 and so on. Then the second one is 29.568 bar and the fifth one is 30.219 bar. These are the questions as a homework for you. Note down this. The first also you try. First is 0.555 and so on. This I will write. You will write x equal to 0.5 bar this way, and then multiplying by 10x is equal to 5.5 bar. Then subtract. This way you will solve this. So that's all for this question. Question number 3. Write in decimal form. Decimal form. Out of that, the third one I want to teach you. Third one, that is root 5. So for root 5, we have to write in the decimal form. What is the value of root 5? That I have to find. How to find the root? That I will teach you. This 5. Point 0.00000. This way I will write and make the groups of 2. Here suppose this is 392 and I have to 0.342 I have to find the root of this. Then how I will find is, I will write it here 392.341 and from this decimal I will make the groups of 2. This is one group. This I will take as the second group by giving 0. And then here from the decimal you have to come here for the pure integer numbers, and then this will be single group of 3. This way we do. This also I have done. This is only single, so this is a single group. This group will go this way and this group will come this way. That is the way. Just try to understand. Now I will put a line over here, and how to do, just try to understand this. Here I will take suppose 2. If I take 2 here, I have to take 2 only here, and then multiply 2 to the 4. If I take 3 here, 3. Then here also I have to take 3. And then I have to say 3 3 are 9. But 9 and 5, see this 5 minus 9 is not possible. So I will take 2 only. 2. 2 to the 4. And these 2 I will add here. Plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now this is 5 minus 4 is 1. We do the subtraction here. Then while taking in division we take one number. For finding the square root I take two numbers 100. Now I have to find the number. Say suppose 2 I am taking. So here also I will write 2. And 42 into these 2 is 84. If I take 3 here, then here also I have to take 3. So then multiply this. 3 3 are 9, 4 3 are 12. This is 129. It is becoming more than 100. So I will come back and I will take 2. 2. So 42 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 84. Yes, I can subtract it. That's why this is 84. And these 2 I have to add here, plus 2. Minus. This will be 6, 1. This will be 42 plus 2, 44. Then now take again this one. The group we have to take. Now I will put a number over here and here also. Say suppose I am putting 1. 1. Here also 1. 4 4 1 into 1, that is 4 4 1. And then subtract this. But it is a very small number, so I will go ahead. If suppose I take 3. Here also 3. 4 4 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 4 3 are 12, 4 3 are 12 plus 1, 13. Yeah, it is very near. But whether I can get the very close number, I will check by putting 4 on this. So 4 4 4 into 4. 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16 plus 1 17, 1, 4 4 the 16 plus 1 17. It is becoming more than this number. So 3 is absolutely okay. So I will write here 3. But there one thing I forgot. This father was here. So put this father. So this is 4 4 3 and that multiplication has come 2 3 2 9 plus this 3. Okay. 3 3 6 4 4 6. Now do the subtraction of this. 1 8 2 0 281. Now again I have to take this. Again I have to search a number over here. Say suppose I am taking 5. So here also I will put 5. Then 4 4 6 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32, 3 5 4 are 20, 23, 2 5 4 5 are 20, 23. It is becoming close to it. 23 and this is 28. Okay. By 5 I am very close to it. But whether it is possible to have 6, that I will check. Instead of 5 I will take 6. So 4 4 6 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 is 39, 3, 6 4 are 24, 27, 2, 6 4 are 24 and 26. So this is close. So by 6, if I take 6, then it is coming into 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is 39, carry 3, 6 4s are 23, 24 plus 3 is 27, carry 2, 6 4s are 20 and this 26. 26, 7, 9. Yeah, it is still close. Whether I can take 7, that also I have to search. I will take 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 4. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46, 4. 32, 3, 28 plus 3, 31. This is becoming more. So 6 is absolutely fine. So here I have taken 6. 6. And that multiplication has come 2, 6, 7, 9, 6. Add this 6 again here. Do the subtraction. 6, 6. This is 12, 1, 7, 4, 4, 7, 2. And subtract it. 10 minus 6 will be 4, 1. This will be 10 minus 10 will be 0, 1. 11 minus 8 is 3, 1. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 0, 1, 3, 0, 4. It is more less than this. So this way. If we double this number, this will be the answer of this. If you double this, then it will be this. See this 2 point. So forget this point 2, 2, 3, 6 into 2, 72, 4, 4. Absolutely correct. If multiply this by 2 and you will get this, then you are right. So this remainder we will forget. Then this is equal to 2.236. This way the answer is. This is in the decimal form. You have to go ahead by certain steps. Don't forget this. Okay. So this way, any number of the pairs of zeros you will take. So this is the decimal form. So this is the decimal form. Okay, I will give you one question for homework. Write in the decimal form. Homework. Root 3, root 7, root 11. This homework you will do at your end. So that's all in this video. In the remaining videos I will take if some of the questions are remaining.